To coronavirus news now, and the latest surrounding what could be the light at the end of a very long and dark tunnel for so many living and working in nursing care facilities. Beginning tomorrow, the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare says those living and working in those facilities will begin getting vaccinated for COVID. Let's go to our Chase Biefeld right now. Chase, you spoke with one nursing home this afternoon. How are they feeling about this news?
Mark, I spoke with Sherry Ellis, and she's a supervisor at the Good Samaritan Society-Boise Village. She's feeling a lot better than she was last week when they didn't even know when they would be getting any vaccines delivered to them. They just knew that it would be sometime after January, but that news did evolve. Right after Christmas, she learned that they would be the first long-term care facility in Boise to receive vaccines and administer them. They're going to be doing that on Tuesday with their residents and staff. Sherry says this is a huge ray of hope and just the beginning of the end to what has been just a very long and very emotionally taxing journey.
It's been very taxing, very frustrating. It's just been pandemic, and it's been rough.
Sherry Ellis says many residents at Good Samaritan Society-Boise Village haven't seen their families in over 10 months.
It's hard being away from their loved ones. It's hard to be away from the people that you care about. And that has been challenging. I spent many afternoons in my office crying.
That was before she or anyone at Boise Village knew when they would be getting their vaccines. But right after Christmas, morale shifted. Sherry learned Boise Village would begin administering Pfizer vaccines to residents and staff this week. In a partnership with the state, Walgreens pharmacists will administer the vaccines at 10 a.m. on Tuesday.
It's just a light at the end of the tunnel for a lot of us, for not only for staff, but definitely for the residents and for family members.
Sherry says the vaccine will be a much-needed addition to their arsenal for fighting COVID, whereas before, staff could only wash their hands, social distance, and use PPE to protect their residents.
This is a ray of hope, so we're excited about that.
A ray of hope for residents and their families to spend time on the same side of a window or a fence sometime very soon.
Our residents have endured so much, and it was for their safety, and they've been such troopers. One resident said, you know, if there's a shortage in the vaccination, I won't take mine. I'll give it to somebody younger who could use it, that has a longer life than I do. Those are the things that keep me going.
Now, Boise Village will administer 175 vaccines to their staff and their residents, a combination of their staff and residents, starting on Tuesday. That will be the first clinic they have set up of 3 that they will have through February. Now, that first one will be, we all know that Pfizer takes 2 doses to actually, for the vaccine to take full effect. There will be, the second one will be to give people the vaccine. Sorry, Mark, I'll give it back to you.
Okay, I know what you're saying, Chase. The bottom line here is the fact that so many of these people have not been in the same room with their loved ones since May. And so whether it's the Pfizer that requires 2 doses or the Moderna that requires 1 dose, all they want to know is that they can be safe in the same room with their loved ones. All right, Chase Biefeld reporting live for us tonight. Chase, thanks.